Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Balanced Bite. Today I'm going to share with you 3 no-bake dessert ideas or cookie ideas, and we're going to have a lot of fun. They're very easy to make. The first one is a Rice Krispie treat with like a little festive flair to it. The second one is a Ritz cracker dipped in chocolate, super delicious and super flavorful with the sweet and the saltiness of the cracker. And the third one is an Oreo ball, and we're going to dip that in white chocolate and dark chocolate and then decorate them to the hilt. So I hope you guys will stick around to the end. All the recipe and ideas are in the description of this video. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start by taking out a rimmed baking sheet and putting some parchment paper on. And then we're going to line up 20 bottoms of the cracker cookie, and so we're going to put them on the sheet here, 20 of them. Yep, they fell down. Reorganize them. Okay. Now we're going to take our peanut butter. It's 2/3 of a cup for the entire recipe, but 1 teaspoon per cookie. So just take your peanut butter and put it on there, smooth it on there. Very easy. Yeah, and there we go. Okay, now just top them off with another cracker. So you're making like a sandwich. Now we're going to take a pot of water on a double boiler. So you put to make a double boiler, you can take a pot of water and you can bring it to a rapid boil, and then put a bowl on it that fits just snugly on top. You want it so that the water steams the chocolate basically. We're going to dunk them into the chocolate. Now, this is important. Make sure that your chocolate stays warm. Like, you need to do it right away. Once the chocolate is like runny and good, make sure to get that in there. Otherwise, the chocolate will just harden up and it'll be impossible to dip them. Now, I took some white chocolate also, and I'm going to put that on the top as a little bit of decoration so they have a little bit more holiday spirit. So next, for your Oreo balls, you're going to take out a food processor, and you need 40 Oreos combined. I have a very small one, so I just do 10 at a time, and then I will add another 10 and do it in batches basically. But if you have a big one, just put all the Oreos in at the same time. Now take your bowl with some cream cheese. I have 8 ounces here of softened cream cheese, and give that a mix. Now throw your Oreos into the cream cheese softened mixture. And again, I take 10 at a time. If you had the big container of 40 or the big food processor of 40, you would do it slowly, little by little bit. Since I have 10 at a time, I just pulse them and then put them in there, pulse them, put them in there. Oreos are in the cream cheese batter. Then you're going to assemble the balls. So take 1 tablespoon of the chocolate mix, and you want to take it out and roll it into a bowl. And then you're going to do 40 of these. And then after that, you melted some white chocolate on the burner or the double boiler, and you're going to go ahead and give those a toss in the white chocolate. I also melted up some dark chocolate, and yeah, we just coat each one of them. Take a fork at the end though, is the trick, and make sure the chocolate kind of, siphons off of it. So these are how they turned out. These ended up being smash Oreo balls because I let the chocolate sit too long, and you really have to melt the chocolate quickly, take out your iced Oreo balls that you had there in the freezer, and then you need to put your whatever you're gonna do, peppermint, coconut, use chocolate, to decorate it. So be careful with this step. Just make sure you kind of are working in a way that you know exactly what you're doing at each moment. And chocolate's a little tricky, but once you get the hang of it, at least in my case, I hope once I get the hang of it, it should work out great. So thank you guys. Okay, so now let's make the Rice Krispie treats. You're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of butter in a pot, and then add your 4 cups of marshmallows. And then stir them all together once you've got them all in the pan. The pot. And then you can put in, this is slowly do this, it's 6 cups of Rice Krispies. I'm going to slowly combine them with the marshmallows. Once that's done, you can give it another stir. And then we're going to add M&Ms to the mixture for a little festive color. So this is just 1 cup of red and green M&Ms. Give them a stir as well. Then put in a parchment filled casserole dish the mixture, and let it sit out. So you can let it sit out for however long, and then you can cut it into squares. So this is how the cookie tray turned out. I was really happy with the color combination and the different textures. The chocolate was new for me, I'm not gonna lie, this year, and I learned a lot. You have to be very patient and move quickly. These cookies are going to be used for Christmas Day for my family, and then I'm going to give some to my neighbors for a holiday gift. Hope you guys can enjoy this video, and if you would like the recipes, let me know. I'll go ahead and put them in the description. Thanks again, and take care. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these no-bake cookie ideas inspired you to create something festive and fun for the holidays. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first, or if you have a favorite already. I know you're going to love these no-bake treats, and you're probably going to love them till January 1st. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Balance Bite for more holiday recipes, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. I'll see you in the next video, and happy holidays!